Hey guys, Cypress here, and today I'll be showing you how to change the Reshade keybind from home to Shift and F2, just in case you have a broken home key or your keyboard does not have a home key at all. So this tutorial will show you how to change the keybind to Shift and F2 together. So when you click those two keys, Reshade will open. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this on Portal 2, but it will work for any game. If you don't know how to install Reshade, I posted a tutorial on that previously about a year ago, showing how Reshade is installed. The only difference between Portal 2 and any other game is the rendering engine which you select at the beginning of the install process. Now, you can find this with a simple Google search for your game. You can then select it. So if you don't know how to install Reshade and you need to install Reshade, go to that video previously. Before starting this, I would recommend, if you haven't in a while, update Reshade to make sure that nothing's different from this tutorial, and I will make sure to update it, making sure that it still works in coming years. So yeah, let's just get right into it. I'll be using Portal 2 via Steam for this tutorial, but it's the same throughout every step of the way except the Steam layer, and I can't help that unfortunately, but most people will be using a game with Steam. If you're not, you just navigate to the game files. Another way, you can probably search up how to do that on Google, but I'll show you how to do it via Steam. So you open up Steam and you want to navigate to the game you want to change the Reshade keybind on. So I'm going to be doing it for Portal 2, so you click the game, and then once you're at this page, you want to click the manage cog here. You should see a little cog, and then it says manage when you hover over it. So you want to click that, and then go down to manage again, and it should pull out this little menu here that says add desktop shortcut, browse local files, hide this game, or install. You want to click browse local files. It'll bring up the local files of the game, and the first thing you will see is a reshade.ini file in here. This isn't the actual ini file you'll be editing. This just shows you where the install of Reshade is. So this is quite helpful because this shows you where the install of Reshade is in the game folder, and you just want to follow this. So according to this, it's in the bin. So we'll go in here, and the reshade.ini file in here, this will be the one that we'll be editing today. For this to work, you must have opened Reshade already, just to so it's actually installed. But you don't need to open Reshade, you just need to open the game whilst running Reshade. So you then want to open with a notepad or any other word editor that you got, and then you'll have input key overlay here. This will have 4 digits. Now, this may look jarring because you're not used to working with numbers, but all you got to do, go here, change this 36 to a 113, change this third zero here, not the third digit here, the 0 here, to a 1. This will indicate that you want to use Shift and F2 to open the key overlay. And then all you gotta do is merely save this as is. You'll save it, it'll reload and close it. Once you've saved it, you can then go into the game, load it up, and just give it a second to load. The game will load, Reshade will compile again, and it will now say press Shift and F2 instead of home to start the tutorial. So you want to click Shift and F2, and Reshade will now open instead of using home. If you don't want the tutorial, the game's just going to lag as it loads. So yeah, if you don't want the tutorial, you can click skip. If you want it, you can click continue. I'm going to skip today, and then all your effects should be there. I would give you a preset file, but unfortunately I do not have a preset file myself anymore. I have lost my preset file after resetting my computer, so I can't help anyone with that. So I'll have to rebuild that myself. But now you should know how to change your keybind from home to Shift F2. And now you should have a fully operational build of Reshade. And now you can add any effects to the game of your choice, and hopefully it should work for you. If there's any problems, comment them down below. I'll try and get to everyone. If I don't have a solution to your problem, I'm sorry, but I will truly try and get to everyone's problems and make a separate video if they need me to. So I'm just going to quit out of this now. So yeah, that was how to change the Reshade keybind. And now that I've opened it and actually accessed the menu, it'll look a lot different. So if it does look like this, because only recently you've broken it, you're still looking for the same thing under this input section, just key overlay and change it to what mine is here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it helped anyone who couldn't figure this out themselves. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.